Welcome to Touch to Click. Today, we're going to show you exactly how to make Microsoft Teams stay green so you can appear active even when you're away. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open Microsoft Teams on your computer by clicking it from the Start menu or taskbar. This launches the app and gets you ready to manage your status. Step 2. Go to the Calendar section, then click the Meet Now button and select Start Meeting. This lets you begin a call instantly without waiting for others to join. Step 3. Once the meeting starts, close the meeting window. This keeps the session running quietly in the background while freeing up your screen. Step 4. If Microsoft Teams asks about audio, choose to mute your microphone. This prevents any background noise from interrupting the call. Step 5. Click on your profile picture and go to Status Settings. Here you can manage how you appear to your colleagues and control your visibility. Step 6. Change your status from In Call to either Available or Busy, depending on how you want others to see you. This ensures your status stays green while you work. Step 7. Keep the call running in the background. This maintains your green, active status on Teams without disturbing your workflow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tips.